Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hotkeys on Webull. First, understand that hotkeys are keyboard shortcuts designed to speed up your trading actions. They let you place orders, cancel orders, and manage your charts with just a few keystrokes. This can be incredibly beneficial for active traders who need to react quickly to market changes. Learning to use and customize these shortcuts will significantly improve your overall trading experience on the platform. To set up your hotkeys, open the Webull desktop application and look for the settings icon, usually a gear symbol at the bottom left. Click on it, then find and select the hotkeys option from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of available actions, such as buy, sell, or cancel all orders. Simply click on an action and press your desired key combination to assign it. Remember to save your changes before exiting the settings. Some of the most useful hotkeys include those for placing buy or sell orders, which can be executed in milliseconds. You can also set up a hotkey to cancel all open orders immediately, a crucial feature during volatile market conditions. Furthermore, hotkeys allow you to swiftly change chart timeframes, zoom in or out, and even switch between different layouts. Mastering these common actions will make your trading workflow much smoother. For advanced users, consider investing in a mechanical keyboard for better tactile feedback and faster response times. Regularly practicing your hotkey combinations in Webull's paper trading mode is also highly recommended to build muscle memory and confidence. This ensures you can execute trades flawlessly when it counts. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. They really help keep things organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.